there.
That's
Sorry.
Oh. Wait, can you guys not burp yet?
There's like 4 premature burps.
I don't think it was premature.
You still going?